Hi everybody, we saw two problems in the last video. Now we'll move on to third problem. This is the question. If w is equal to f of y minus z, z minus x, x minus y, show that dou w by dou x plus dou w by dou y plus dou w by dou z is equal to 0. Solution. If you get this type of problem, you have to rewrite this function as w is equal to f of r comma s comma t. You can use any variables here. Here we are taking r, s and t, where r is equal to y minus z, s is equal to z minus x, t is equal to x minus y. Now we need dou w by dou x, but we have w as a function of r, s and t only. R, s and t are functions of x, y and z. So we can use a formula which contains w with respect to r and r with respect to x, then w with respect to s with respect to x, w with respect to t and t with respect to x. You need dou w by dou x, but w is in terms of r, s, t. So dou w by dou r, dou w by dou s, dou w by dou t. But since it is with respect to x, dou r by dou x, dou s by dou x, dou t by dou x. Now let's find these values. You can't find dou w by dou r because you have only it as a function of r, s and t. You don't know what that function is. So you can't find dou w by dou r. Keep it as such, and we can find dou r by dou x because you have r, s and t in terms of x, y and z as functions. You have it as functions, so you can find these terms easily. What is dou r by dou x? In r you don't have any x term, so differentiation of r with respect to x gives 0. Similarly, what is dou s by dou x? Consider s term. You have z minus x. So what is dou s by dou x? You have to differentiate this s with respect to x. So z term becomes 0. This minus x, when you differentiate with respect to x, becomes minus 1. Now what is dou t by dou x? Consider this t. You have to differentiate this with respect to x. So x with respect to x, if you differentiate, you'll get 1, and y term, it becomes 0 since you're differentiating with respect to x. Now we got all these terms. Just substitute these terms in this equation. So you'll be having dou w by dou x is equal to this dou w by dou r, we can write as such, and this 0 instead of this dou r by dou x, plus dou w by dou s into dou s by dou x is minus 1, plus dou w by dou t into dou t by dou x is plus 1. So this is minus dou w by dou s plus dou w by dou t. Take it as equation number 1. Then we need to find dou w by dou y. You have to do in the same way. W with respect to r, r with respect to y. W with respect to s, s with respect to y. w with respect to t, t with respect to y. So you have this formula. You have to repeat the same procedure. You don't know what is dou w by dou r, dou w by dou s and dou w by dou t. So keep these terms as such. Just find dou r by dou y, dou s by dou y and dou t by dou y. Now what is dou r by dou y? You can take from here. R is equal to y minus z. From that, what is dou r by dou y? It is 1. Dou s by dou y. Here you have s is equal to z minus x. You don't have any y here. So dou s by dou y will be 0. What is dou t by dou y? Consider this. You have x minus y. When you differentiate this with respect to y, you'll be getting it as minus 1. So what is dou w by dou y now? Instead of this dou w by dou r, we can have it as such. Instead of this dou r by dou y, you have 1 plus dou w by dou s into, instead of this dou s by dou y, you have 0 plus dou w by dou t into, instead of this dou t by dou y, you have minus 1. Now this can be written as dou w by dou r minus dou w by dou t. This is dou w by dou y. Take it as equation number 2. Next we need dou w by dou z. We found dou w by dou x and dou w by dou y. Next we need dou w by dou z. For that, follow the same procedure. Dou w by dou z is equal to dou w by dou r into dou r by dou z plus dou w by dou s into dou s by dou z plus dou w by dou t into dou t by dou z. You have to keep this dou w by dou r, dou w by dou s and dou w by dou t as such. We have to find dou r by dou z. What is r? What we have for r? R is equal to y minus z. So what is dou r by dou z from this? It is minus 1. What is dou s by dou z? For s we have z minus x. So what is dou s by dou z? It is plus 1. Similarly, what is dou t by dou z? Instead of t, we have x minus y. So dou t by dou z will be 0. Now we found all these values. Just substitute these values in this equation. So we'll get dou w by dou z is equal to dou w by dou r into minus 1 plus dou w by dou s into plus 1 plus dou w by dou t into 0. So dou w by dou z will be equal to minus dou w by dou r plus dou w by dou s. This is equation number 3. According to our question, we need dou w by dou x plus dou w by dou y plus dou w by dou z. We found all these values. We have it in equations 1, 2 and 3. So instead of dou w by dou x, we have minus dou w by dou s plus dou w by dou t. Instead of dou w by dou y, we have dou w by dou r minus dou w by dou t. and instead of dou w by dou z we have minus dou w by dou r plus dou w by dou s. Now you have minus dou w by dou s plus dou w by dou s. Both gets cancelled. Dou w by dou t minus dou w by dou t. They get cancelled. Similarly, dou w by dou r minus dou w by dou r gets cancelled. So you'll be getting it as 0. Hence, proved. Fourth question. If u is equal to x power y, find dou square u by dou x dou y. Solution. What is given? U is equal to x power y. You have the formula for this. It is e power y log x. X power y can be written as e power y log x. It is a mathematical formula. Now we need dou square u by dou x dou y. This can be written as dou by dou x of dou u by dou y. So we have to find this. For that, find dou u by dou y first, then differentiate that value with respect to x again. So let's find dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou y is equal to dou by dou y of, instead of this u, we have e power y log x. E power y log x. Now, what is dou by dou y of e power y? It is e power y. We have formula as d by dy of e power y is equal to e power y. So if you differentiate e power y log x with respect to y, you can write it as e power y log x. But this is not y. It is a term which contains both x and y. So you have to again differentiate that term with respect to y. Now this can be written as e power y log x, remains as such. What is dou by dou y of y log x? Here you are differentiating only with respect to y. In this case, log x will be a constant value. So take log x outside. Now what is dou by dou y of y? It is 1. So this can be written as log x into e power y log x. This is your dou u by dou y. Now we need dou square u by dou x dou y. For that we have to differentiate this dou u by dou y again with respect to x. Now let's find that. What is dou by dou x of dou u by dou y? Which is equal to dou by dou x of, instead of this dou u by dou y, we have log x into e power y log x. Log x into e power y log x. Here you are differentiating with respect to x. You have two terms here, multiplication of two terms. In both the terms you have x value. So you can go for UV method. You have a formula for this. D by dx of uv is equal to u into v dash plus v into u dash. Use this formula here. This is u value, this is v value. So this can be written as u into v dash. Instead of u, we have log x. Instead of v dash, what is v dash? V dash is dv by dx. So you have to differentiate e power y log x with respect to x plus v into u dash. Instead of v, you have v power y log x into u dash. So dou by dou x of log x. Is equal to log x into, you are differentiating this with respect to x, so you will be getting the same term, e power y log x, but this value contains both x and y, so you have to differentiate this power value again with respect to x. So you will be getting dou by dou x of y log x plus e power y log x into dou by dou x of log x. Here you have only x term, so you can just simply differentiate this. What is log x? When differentiated with respect to x, it is 1 by x. So you can write 1 by x is equal to log x into, instead of this e power y log x, we have x power y. So you can replace this by x power y into, now what is this when differentiated with respect to x? Here you are differentiating with respect to x, so y will be a constant. Take y outside. Log x when differentiated partially with respect to x gives 1 by x plus, instead of this e power y log x, you can again write x power y. So x power y into 1 by x, which is equal to, here you can combine these two terms as x power y minus 1 into y log x plus, these two terms can be combined as x power y minus 1. Again you can take x power y minus 1 as common term outside. Remaining you will be having into y log x plus 1.